Hey, it's Matt with Replit here. Today I'm going to show you how to build with Grok-3 and create an app in Replit without writing any code at all. All you need is a Replit account. All you need is an X account logged into Grok.com. And this is really straightforward. What we're going to do is we're going to say to Grok-3, help me create a brick breaker game with HTML. So this is going to write HTML to build us a brick breaker game. You don't really need to worry about what HTML is. Then we're going to create an app on Replit. We're going to create a Node app. A Node app is just for JavaScript, and you can use that to run HTML. The great thing about Replit, you don't actually have to worry about configuring any of that because we have AI tools for you. So log into Replit. On the home page, you create a Node app. Grok's done writing this brick breaker game because it's really fast. We're going to create a new file in our directory called game.html. And in that new file, we're going to paste the output. So now we have an HTML file in our Replit app with the output. We're going to go to Assistant, which is our tool for editing code, and we're going to say serve the game in at game. The at symbol mentions the file. Hit enter. And now Replit Assistant is going to configure the settings for this app. It's going to install the dependencies that we need, and then it's going to set up a server around that app in index.js. We're going to apply all of those to run the file. So now what you're going to see is that it installs the dependencies, configures the packages, and then executes the game. And I need to actually be quick to get to the mouse. And now we have a brick breaker game running in our browser. Now this is cool. You might say, okay, you get a pop-up, game over. This is running locally, and we're actually good on that. You can take this game, click the deploy button. We're going to recommend a deployment for you. You don't have to worry about these build settings. We'll call this brick breaker Grok, and deploy. Replit knows the run command to use. It knows the correct build command to use. I'm going to wait 2 minutes, and we'll come back and see what happened. So we're back. It looks like our app is deployed, and what I can do here is open the deployments pane. I'm going to click this, and we have our brick breaker game. So this is not running on my computer anywhere. This is not, just a toy demo. I mean, it is fun. It's a game, but this is actually deployed at brickbreaker.grok.replit.app. I'll leave this up. If you want to go take a look, you can check it out. But 0 to app in just under 5 minutes with Grok and Replit. Give it a shot. Create a Replit account. Build it with Assistant. Build it with Grok. Really fun way to get started. Until next time. Peace.